Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in New York City in Brooklyn, or Coney Island Beach to be exact. We're on the Coney Island Boardwalk. This is part 2 of a 5-part series here on Coney Island. We did part 1 last week where we started our walk on the boardwalk. Part 2 today, we're going to complete that walk on the boardwalk, and then in future parts 3, 4, and 5, 3 and 4 deal with the amusement rides and food vendors in Coney Island, and 5 would be 1 block up from the boardwalk here, Surf Avenue. That will be part 5. This is a New York City vault video. It's been taken out of the New York channel's vault and dusted off, and I add some commentary to it and bring up the background sounds a little bit and add a little music here and there just so you guys can enjoy it a little more. If you do enjoy it, leave a comment below, and in the meantime, enjoy Coney Island Part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.